Nation Radio.
Hey, we're Niall and Danny from the Big Welsh Wake Up on Nation Radio, and we've come down to Barry Island as we promised we would. It is a glorious day down here today. The tide is out, so the sun is shining on the sands. You can see Marco's Cafe, all the families enjoying the sand, and I think you can see seagulls annoying people as well. So on National Hug a Seagull Day, let's see if we can get Danny, dressed as a seagull, some hugs. You think you're going to get 10? Are you going to talk, or are you going to stay in costume, in character?
Squawk.
I'll hug the seagull.
Yeah.
I will hug you.
Come on, Lloyd, let's have a picture. Yeah.
Rick, come on.
Well, seagulls have been a lot of hay lately, and I think it's very nice. So, spreading some seagull love. Yeah, thanks very much, guys.
Thank you.
Bye.
Well, we did it then, as promised. We came down. Come here. He's stealing my chips. We got plenty of seagull love. We definitely got more than 10 hugs. And we've got to say thank you as well to Script to Screen in Cardiff on Colchester Avenue for this fantastic costume that people have been loving hugging here this afternoon. And thanks to the guys at O'Shea's as well, sorted us out with some chips, even if they are getting stolen.